I'm Amy, and I'm here today with Olive Tree, and we are going to be cooking a Italian abbreviated quiche. And I call it abbreviated quiche because it's quiche-like but so much easier. And we are going to be using, to keep it healthy as well, the mushroom garlic olive tree extra virgin olive oil to saute some spinach, some mushrooms, and shallots up. And then what makes this recipe so easy is we use just some crescent rolls on the bottom and some Italian seasoning, just a few other ingredients. It's so quick to make. We love to take this when we're going to someone's house for a tailgate party, to watch a football game. They're having soup. This is the perfect dish to have on the side with soup. It's hearty, it's delicious, and healthy, and quick, very quick. So let's get started.